I started out, I really love art. So I started out, I went to the drafting CAD program. Realized there was a real lot of math in that. And realized that I love to bake and I love to cook, so why not try culinary arts? So that's what I did for 2 years. We were actually where the old bookstore was when I went to school here. And we had a little tiny restaurant, and then we had a freshman lab type setup. It was real small compared to what we do here now. And our class was really tight knit. We had a lot of students, we were all friends. It was a great experience all around. And I still could keep my job, which was really important because I had to pay for everything myself. Well, my parents owned a restaurant in Hinsdale, and I was their manager, and I did all their training work for them. I actually baked for them, for the restaurant. I actually waited on tables, I did it all. When I started here, it was actually on a dare. My husband dared me to apply for the job because I said, I'm not qualified to be a teacher. I've never trained to be a teacher. He said, you do it all the time in your job. You're training people every time you get a new employee. So I applied for the job, I got it. I started out here as a bakery assistant, and I started the same day the students started, which was crazy, but I survived. And I've got pictures of all the students on the wall outside my hallway, and I look back at them and I think, wow, there's a lot of kids that I met and I taught. Alfred State, I've never heard anybody not hold it in high regard. I mean, they love it as much as us. It's just given me more opportunity than I've ever gotten. And I never thought that I would be a teacher because I just did not like school. And so for me to be here teaching is something, and I actually get to share that with students, and they go, well, maybe I could be a teacher someday.